On Friday, October 26, members of the Texarkana College Earth Club got an up-close look at Salvinia molesta, or giant salvinia, and the tropical weevil Citrobagus salvinia that shows promise as a biological control measure for the invasive aquatic fern that is devouring local water bodies, including Caddo Lake. The 7 undergraduates and their instructor, Professor Dolores McWright, were treated to an advanced adventure learning experience that included an up-close and personal day with one of the nation's leading Salvinia weevil rearing experts, Lee Eisenberg. Eisenberg operates a Center for Invasive Species Eradication's giant Salvinia weevil rearing facility at the Caddo Lake National Wildlife Refuge. The center is part of Texas AgriLife Extension Service, Texas AgriLife Research, and Texas Water Research Institute at Texas A&M University. He earned his bachelor's degree in biology from the University of Louisiana at Lafayette and a master's in entomology from Louisiana State University. Eisenberg began growing giant Salvinia weevils 6 years ago in South Louisiana, where due to warmer weather in the winter, they can be raised outdoors continuously. The adventure started with an in-depth overview of the problem, a detailed description of the lethal fern's life cycle and reproductive techniques, characteristics of the Salvinia weevil, and methods for growing the monster fern's only natural enemy. Emphasis then turned to viewing of the rearing facility lab and examination of greenhouse vats. During the warmer months, weevils are grown to maturity, eating the noxious weed. Giant Salvinia began invading Caddo Lake in 2007, imported in almost undetectable sprigs on boats that picked it up at other lakes. The plant swiftly spread in thick mats and led residents to mount a multi-front battle against the plant's explosive spread. Those mats, sometimes 4 feet thick, block sunlight and consume oxygen needed by native plants, fish, and other aquatic life. As they die off, silt builds up on the bottom of the lake, creating an essentially dead body of water. The final segment of the adventure was intended to be observation of the weevil-infested Salvinia mats on Caddo Lake. However, weather conditions on October 26 did not allow the group to take the scheduled boat tour to the selective weevil application site. Instead, Earth Club students and Dr. McWright took a leisurely lunch with Eisenberg, discussing details about the miraculous bug's appetite for the monster that is currently attacking the fragile ecological balance of Caddo Lake, and Eisenberg's belief that the Salvinia weevil is starting to work as a biological control measure.